and Leo arrive at a sunny beach with their 3 fluffy cats, Whiskers, Luna, and Muffin. The beach is vibrant with colorful umbrellas and beach balls. On-screen text introduces Emma, Leo, Whiskers, Luna, and Muffin. On the sun-kissed beach, Emma and Leo collaborate on an ambitious sandcastle, while Whiskers and Luna revel in the seaside bliss. Emma and Leo splash joyfully in the shallows, their laughter echoing across the beach. Muffin, unnoticed, climbs onto an inflatable ring. A gentle breeze carries Muffin away from the shore, the ring drifting further into the sea. Emma and Leo watch helplessly as Muffin drifts further out to sea. Oh no! They start running along the beach, desperate to catch up. Leo races towards the water, determined to save Muffin. Emma shouts encouragement, her voice lost in the roar of the ocean. Leo paddles furiously, closing in on Muffin as the waves crash around them. Triumphantly, Leo scoops Muffin onto the raft. Together, they head back to shore. Emma, Leo, and Muffin are reunited on the beach, embracing with laughter and relief. Whiskers and Luna join the embrace, deepening the bond of friendship. As the sun sets, the friends share ice cream, savoring their reunion. The end appears on the screen, marking the conclusion of their journey.